He could ask for one thing. Amasabo. Abantu aminto Veka Fred Asamasabo. Okotera nkoranje tekotera kore hymno number 505. 505. Kokoteva, I need the prayers of those I love. The last stanza says, I want my friends to pray for me, to hold me up on wing of faith, that I may walk the narrow way, kept by our Father's glorious grace. He needs the prayers. Mumaitense bunaere, mwerochi. Amasabaino, ogosaba kwa mwege nyoyomo. Nabokora atori, abantu bonse. Sabere nse yaito, sabera barai. Mbiamono, amange moche mumerane, pero mumerane nere nabatebya amange. Taliboigo. Mbiamono nyasayo yo, nyasaba seseni mwenzi, ne family mo seseni we. Thank you.
Mbiamono, thank you for the message. All the MCS, both Nyamira and Kisii. O inyoere kwa nebire, lakini